Welcome to Leka Eto Speak YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Lovers all over the world, update tí a mú wá fún yín ẹ̀yin fi wá sí wa update nípa olóyè Sunday Igboho. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ti mọ̀ pé gbogbo awuyewuye ti lọ, àwọn èèyàn ti jáde síta, wọ́n ti drag ẹ̀, òun náà dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀, ó ní wípé ẹni tó bá ràn lọ́wọ́ pé tó ń bá dúró tì kò tí ì lọ jù. So ibẹ̀ láti rí olóyè Sunday Igboho tó ti jáde síta tó sọ̀rọ̀ wípé ẹni tí ó bá polongo ìbò nípa Peter Obi tàbí ẹni Àtíkù kankan ní South West pé wọ́n á fojú wọn rí màbo. So bẹ́ẹ̀ làwọn èèyàn ti wá jáde síta wípé democracy and practice pé kò kí n ṣe ìjọba ológun, pé olúkálùkù lè ṣe campaign débi tó bá wù ú. So àwọn èèyàn ṣáà condemn gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ yẹn wípé ẹni tí ó ràn lọ́wọ́ pé ó lè ṣe campaign fẹ́ nìyẹn which is Tinubu, pé kò lè condemn àwọn míì láti ṣe campaign fún èèyàn tó bá wù wọ́n. So ibẹ̀ làwọn èèyàn ṣáà ti jáde síta the like of Sowore, gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ṣáà jẹ́ alágbára wọ́n ṣáà jáde síta, wọ́n caution ẹ̀ wípé èèyàn kì í sọ̀rọ̀ bó ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, pé tó bá wọn kó fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ fún Tinubu kó ṣiṣẹ́ fún Tinubu, kó má condemn another person láti ṣiṣẹ́ fẹ́ni tó bá wù, pé this is democracy world, pé democracy and practice. So ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan táwọn èèyàn sọ, ká dẹ̀ gbọ́ àwọn
Àtíkù kan bóyá ADC ẹgbẹ́ ìwòrì kan tó bá gbé wálẹ̀ Yorùbá ń bí ọ sáré ju kẹ́tẹ́kẹ́tẹ́ lọ. Mo fọlọ́ ń bọ̀rọ̀ tó bá ti fẹ́ gbé ẹgbẹ́ ADC ìwòrì kan wá sílẹ̀ Yorùbá ń bí ọ̀wọ́ trainers táwọ̀ trainers èmi ò ń fẹnu sí o, a máa bá ń jà bí wìrì lẹ́yìn ẹgbẹ́ bàbá Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu afẹ́rẹ́gbẹ́ kankan ọdún mẹ́jọ bàbá ó pè é kò ní ìdígbé rẹ̀ lé mọ̀ ẹni tí ó mọ̀ ní ọmọ. Bàbá Tinubu ti wọlé ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì agàẹ́ gbogbo yòókù fíìmù ni agàẹ́ ṣe format. Èyàn ò ní ṣe wá lórí ká mọ́ tẹ̀lé, èyàn ò ní ṣe mi lórí kémi mọ́ tẹ̀lé. Gbogbo àwọn bàbá mi, gbogbo àwọn bàbá Olúgbọ́n ní Sunday mọ́ ní bàbá ọlọ́dún mẹ́jọ 100% kò ní sórí. Gbogbo àwọn fámìlì mi ń tojúmọ́ náà ń ṣàdúrà fún bàbá lọ́wọ́ Tinubu, gbogbo àwọn olólùfẹ́ mi náà ń ṣàdúrà fún wọn, gbogbo àwọn followers mi pátápátá náà ń ṣàdúrà fún bàbá pé oore tó ṣe fáwọn nípa tèmi yìí ẹbí inú ilé mi mọ wà yìí ọdún karùn-ún ni mo ti kó ònú léyìn Buhari ló lé ní kó ń bẹ ẹ wo bí Buhari ṣe.
Sunday Igboho orí ìyá tèmi yí, wọ́n dẹ̀ bí bàbá tèmi dá, èmi ò dẹ̀ kí ń sọ máa lè. Màá wá sọ fún ẹ wípé gbogbo stéètì pátápátá tí ń jẹ́lẹ̀ Yorùbá ní gbogbo Nàìjíríà yìí, gbogbo bẹ̀ la máa gbé Òbí wọ̀, gbogbo bẹ̀ la máa gbé Àtíkù wọ̀, tá dẹ̀ máa sọ́pọ́ọ̀tì wọn. But tó ìyá tiẹ̀ náà bá wá yí, tí wọ́n dẹ̀ bí bàbá tiẹ̀ náà dá, tá bá ti wá wà ní campaign yẹn, kó kó àwọn boys ẹ wá, kó wá dábẹ̀rù. Pé sọ pé fẹ́ wá dàrú yẹ kó wá dábẹ̀rù. Ìgbà yẹn ló máa mọ̀ wípé ìjọba ológun kọ́ là ń lò ní Nàìjíríà yìí, ìjọba àwarawa ni tí wọ́n pè ní democracy. Kò dẹ̀ sí èèyàn kankan tán bí dá láti sọ wípé anybody má support anybody. Ẹni tó bá wù mí ni mo lè support, ẹni tó bá wù ẹ́ ló lè support. Kì wá ṣe pé nítorí pé o ti lórí ọ̀fẹ́ gbà, nítorí pé wọ́n ti ṣàánú ẹ pé kó má bàa ṣẹ̀wọ̀n, kó wá máa fi ọlá ẹ̀ kó wá máa fi threaten àwọn aráàlú, kó máa fi threaten àwọn aráàlú. Ìwọ tó jẹ́ pé nígbà tí ọwọ́ ìjọba fẹ́ tó bá ẹ̀ orí fẹ́ǹsì ló gbà kọjá, ládùúgbò gbogbo ẹnu tó ń fọ́ wípé o lè rógùn o lè gbéyàn mi. Ìgbà ẹgẹ ni mo fẹ́ witness pé tòótọ́ èèyàn lè disappear, èèyàn lè ṣe bọ̀ síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ kò sí èlé tó lè ṣe nínú gbogbo ẹ̀. Ìwọ wá ń threaten àwa pé táwa bá gbé anybody wá, káwa bá support èèyàn wa. Ta ni ẹ́? Even olórí wa, bí olórí wa ṣe try tó bóyá jẹ́ pé Tinubu try tó, ó tún bẹ̀ wá, ó ń bẹ̀ àwa èèyàn pé ká wá dìbò fún ni. Ju Tinubu kò threaten àwa èèyàn. Tàwa ní ìwọ tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n wá máa threaten, ṣé wọ́n jẹ́ rep ni, ṣó jẹ́ House of Assembly ni, ṣé wọ́n ní Senate President ni, àbí wọ́n lórí àwọn DSS, àbí wọ́n lórí àwọn ọlọ́pàá. Ipò wo ni wọ́n dìmú ní Nàìjíríà yìí tó fi jẹ́ pé wọ́n máa threaten àwa citizen? Ẹni tó bá wà la lè dìbò fún, tó bá wá ti bí wọ́n dá o, kí wọ́n náà wá da campaign wa rú. Àwa dẹ̀ ń gbé wọn bọ̀, àwọn làwa dẹ̀ máa support. nítorí nǹkan tó sọ yìí àwọn làwọn máa support ó dá.
Sunday Igboho.
The APC freedom fighter.
Sunday Igboho.
The Mumu man freedom fighter.
Sunday Igboho.
The hungry man freedom fighter.
Sunday Igboho.
The poor man freedom fighter. Alpha.
Alpha.
You get mind go dey swear for people say he say people wey dey talk say he support APC. You go dey swear for them.
He support APC. Oya, let me tell you, na get what you wanna suppose know. For some of una wey dey talk say very Nnamdi Kanu na terrorist. Make I tell you, if you don't know something, try to read the history or try to know what is going on. Let me tell you, you remember when Sunday Igboho was agitating for Yoruba nation?
Yeah, they know.
The federal government were so much against him.
My guy, no forget now the same APC wey Sunday Igboho dey support now. They kpai Sunday Igboho people.
Okay.
They kpai him family. Many people lost their life because of this thing.
Of him.
I still get my go join these people again.
He gave the Yorubas the hope, say he was agitating for the Yoruba nation. He was agitating for them. The federal government were so much against this man. They arrested him several times. We make una wait and they try to tell una where they call Nnamdi Kanu a terrorist. They arrested him so many times. Now, based on that, he no agree for their own. Now he don't finally agree for their own. Now I swear to God, even if it's tomorrow, if Sunday Igboho should commit any crime, they don't go do anything.
They don't go do anything.
That is why they tell you say if EFCC call you, make you go join the APC, your sin will be forgiven. You remember that same thing? So let me tell you, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, they have tried to they have tried to negotiate or to bring that man to their own side. But Nnamdi knows what he wants. Nnamdi Kanu said what he wants is Biafra. And Biafra he stand.
He sure say Sunday Igboho, you never want freedom.
You understand, ba?
Yes.
So
now your belly you did after.
He was only after
you mumu Sunday Igboho, if you don't send anybody.
He was only after his stomach.
They
so Mazin Nnamdi Kanu now because he never agree for them. That is why he still
they grab Sunday Igboho 50 million naira. He body shake. You never see money for your life. You know how much they bribe Nnamdi Kanu? Over 100 billion. You not collect.
Make I tell you, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu
never see money for your life.
His police cannot be said that man commit any crime. His police can they know. If Mazin Nnamdi Kanu agree for them to die, I swear to God, he go come out. But that man say that is why Mazin Nnamdi Kanu tell you say if he die, say Biafra will come more quicker.
He must come.
You understand?
Anna, peace and love.
We dey push.
See you soon.
We dey push. See you in Aba.
In Aba.
You understand? Okay. For 10 million people protest.
March.
It's peaceful movement for Mazin Nnamdi Kanu.
This failed and hungry activist wey don turn himself to politician. You know they fight for Oduduwa nation again, Abi. You know they fight the terrorists. We don't take over on our forest. They tie your people in their numbers again, Abi. Because you don't collect something, put for pocket. Now you say they support President Tinubu. You don't enter politics. Then you come and they talk rubbish. Say you they support President Tinubu come 2027. And after President Tinubu finish in 8 years, you go also urge him to do another thing. Make thunder we don't gym, get model, fire you.
Bàrà Sunday èló ganan gbé fún yín gan àbí èló ganan fẹ́ fún yín àbí èló náà promise yín tẹ̀tí ń sáré jábọ́ èló náà fẹ́ fún yín tàn tí ìfáwọn àsárídòkúbọ̀ rí tàn tí ìfáwọn gọ́fìmẹ̀ntì tó ń polo rí tàn tí ìfáwọn Gani Adams rí èló náà fẹ́ fún yín tẹ̀tí ń sáré jábọ́ tẹ̀tí ń sáré búyà everybody tẹ̀tí ń sáré dalẹ̀ gbogbo àwọn èèyàn yín èló ṣé àdùngán pàǹdò ni tó bá wà láyé nìsín báyìí ṣé inú ẹ̀ ó dùn tó bá gbọ́ pé àwọn the same APC government tó wá hunt wọn down òun náà lẹ ti ń bá ṣiṣẹ́ báyìí tẹ wá kọ̀yìn sí gbogbo yẹn tẹ̀ ń ṣépè tẹ ní àwọn àgbọ́dọ̀ dìbò fẹ́ lómi beyond 2031 èló lẹ ti gbà gan ṣó ṣàtò pín ṣó máa kárí àbí èló náà fẹ́ fún yín tẹ̀ bá ti gbà èló náà promise yín ẹ ná sùúrù sí ẹ ná sùúrù.
Nnamdi Kanu is in jail today because he's different from Sunday Igboho. Yes. If Nnamdi Kanu were to be Sunday Igboho, he would be campaigning for Tinubu in the southeast now. Yes. Because it's the same terms that he gave to Sunday Igboho that he accepted that Nnamdi Kanu has rejected over the last 10 years. So please don't insult it. I don't know what he will do tomorrow, but the Nnamdi Kanu that I went to campaign for in Aba last week is not somebody. It will be, I don't even know what to call it, if it's a heresy to compare the two of them. As per Sunday Igboho, who I don't know too well, but I've always stated that their own brand of politics is what they call Amala politics in your state. It is politics of chop I chop. It is what they used to call during in the southeast or Robombo. Rub my back, I rub your back. So, but what Sunday Igboho is going to quickly realize is that it is going to be in the hall of infamy. Yes. Like the Nzeribes of this world, who once said that if Babangida did not become president, he will kill himself. Yes. Right? Both him and Babangida have become invalid. You know, it's like Daniel Kanu, who said if Abacha did not become president, he will kill himself. Abacha has died. His own political career died forever. It's like Baba Adedibu in Ibadan, who says that Obasanjo, if he doesn't do third time, he will kill himself. He has also died. So these are ideas that will not last. And I have no doubt that Sunday Igboho has just automatically, if he was ever relevant, just retired himself into the infamy of the people I mentioned. And his own might be worse, because the whole community might be cooking for him very soon. I will go to anywhere in Nigeria to campaign, and I want to see him come and stop me. And I'm sure he will never try. So some of it is also psychological. True. They are just using them to scare you so that you won't stand up. You know, because they know if Tinubu is truly supported by 33 governors, why is he afraid of? Why is he afraid of rallies? Yeah, that tells you that it is the governors that are decamping, the people are not decamping. Shot him. He provided remains, bones.
Lovers all over the world. Ọ̀rọ̀ náà ni ẹ ti gbọ́ lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ tí àwọn yẹn ti jáde síta lóríṣiríṣi tí wọ́n ti sọ̀rọ̀ tán kọ̀ndẹ́mù nǹkan tó lóye Sunday Igboho sọ. Àwọn yẹn sọ̀rọ̀ sí gan o wípé oníjẹkújẹ ni something like that ṣá, wípé kó focus lórí ẹni tó bá fẹ́ support, kó má kọ̀ndẹ́mù àwọn míì tó bá ń support another candidate. Wípé àìjẹ́bẹ̀ tó bá lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ pé ṣe bí Yorùbá nation ni ó agitate fún tẹ́lẹ̀ pé but definitely òun náà lẹ́bọ̀ lẹ́rù ló ṣe ń ṣe gbogbo àwọn wa tó ń gbù yẹn wípé ó yẹ kó dúró tán lórí Yorùbá nation ẹni. So ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ ẹni tẹ́ jẹ́ pé wá sí wa ẹ comment ẹ like ẹ share ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ opinion tí yín lọ́dọ̀ comment section. I appreciate the support in you so far. So we love you all. Thanks for watching.